The custom job fit settings allow you to set a custom system prompt for your job fit reports and weighting calculations for your job fit score. This feature requires a paid plan. Before demonstrating how to use this feature, it's critical to point out that this feature is for advanced users only. There are many automations and features in the OCW platform that depend on the job fit score in the job fit report. If you change the default settings without understanding the consequences, it's possible to end up in a scenario where your job fit scores are calculated incorrectly or do not accurately reflect how well job applications match job descriptions. This can result in the AI automations making incorrect decisions. Note that refunds will not be provided in the event that the default settings are changed and they generate inaccurate results. If you feel confident that you understand the consequences of changing these default settings, you can start by going to the main menu and clicking on AI settings and clicking on Job Fit. You'll see options to create and edit job fit settings for pre-interview job fit reports and post-interview job fit reports. As the name suggests, the only difference between both reports is that the post-interview job fit report assesses the performance of the candidate in the interview and adds this to the report. Otherwise, both reports are the same. I want to remind you that the job fit report is generated after reviewing data from the job description, psychometric test results if required, and the cover letter. In the case of the post-interview job report, the transcript of the virtual interview and the human interview will also be assessed. Let's create a pre-interview job fit report configuration by clicking on New Pre-Interview Config, or create your first pre-interview configuration. Give your configuration a name. The score weights allow you to decide how important each of these elements are in your analysis of job fit. Note that the score must add up to 100. Also note that the job fit score will be calculated based on the numbers in these sliders. It will not be calculated based on the numbers in the system prompt below. Think of the system prompt as a prompt that supports the information that you set up in the score weights above. In order for your job fit report to make sense, it's critical to ensure that the score weights in the system prompt are exactly the same as the score weights in the sliders above. Complete the rest of the system prompt with any instructions that you believe will be helpful to generate useful reports for your specific circumstances. When you've completed the configuration setup, you have the option to save it as the default configuration. The default configuration will be used when automations run for your job listings. This means that you can set up multiple job fit configurations. When you're ready, click Create Configuration. The configuration we just created is now visible, and in this case, it has been set as the default configuration. You can see that it has been clearly marked as a pre-interview job fit report, so it's easy to distinguish from a post-interview job fit report. You can edit this configuration by clicking Edit.